Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, and Travel. And today we are going to provide you with an honest review dun sa hotel na pinagstayan namin in Seoul last week. It's called Summit Hotel Dongdaemun.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
We booked at Summit Hotel Seoul, which is located at Dongdaemun Area, since yung Myeongdong is very saturated na. And yung mga previous trips kasi namin were already in Myeongdong, and we heard that Dongdaemun is a place na hindi masyadong maingay. At the same time, yung mga nakatira nearby are all locals. So, mas homey, and yung mga food daw compared to Myeongdong are all authentic and mas may approach sa Korean cuisine. Dito sa lobby nila, you will find the luggage areas na pwede mong iwanan yung mga luggages mo pagka hindi mo pa time for check-in. They also have coffee shop, Lotus Cafe, na pwede mo pagstayan habang nag-aantay ka ng check-in. And at the same time, they also have the Wow Pass machine, which will inform you later on sa video namin kung ano ang function ng Wow Pass sa Korea in terms of transportation and mga purchases ninyo. We booked this hotel at Agoda app for 6 nights for 4 packs amounting to 34,500. Naka 10% discount lang siya during that time. Original rate niya is actually 37,000 plus. So you can check na lang sa Agoda app. Baka may mga promos and discounts silang available. Ang pinaka nagustuhan namin dito sa hotel is the cleanliness. Actually, if you can see in the video, sobrang organized and ang linis lang. Everyday ganyan kasi pinapalinis namin, pinapamakeup namin yung room everyday, which is actually the privilege kapag ka nag-stay ka, kahit sa ang hotel naman yan. So, let's take that opportunity kapag ka nag-check-in tayo para at least everyday malinis yung room and all. The beds are really nice, comfortable, linens are all clean, and it's very warm. Parang anong tawag dito? Ang ganda ng place, maaliwalas. They also provide unlimited coffee and tea every day, plus your supply of bottled water. The TV has a lot of channels, cable TV yata ito. One big consideration in terms of booking for a hotel or a B&B actually is the transportation. So it's either malapit kayo sa train station or sa bus stop. This hotel is so perfect kasi yung kanyang front is actually the bus stop of K-Limousine. K-Limousine. So ang K-Limousine is yung transport na nanggagaling from Incheon Airport, which stops at few hotels or few areas in the entire Seoul city. This is so beneficial to us, most especially kung nagta-travel tayo with our kids abroad, and syempre napakadaming luggages. So ito, paglabas mo ng Incheon Airport, you just have to check on the bus stop designated for bus number 6702. And if you have the Discover Seoul Pass, free na ang iyong ride. Okay, otherwise, you have to pay 700 pesos per person para makasakay ka sa bus na yan. So, eventually, we'll provide you with the details and benefits of the Discover Seoul Pass in our next video. And we'll also put the link sa aming description box and comment section for those who are interested to avail of the Discover Seoul Pass. Okay, moving on. The hotel serves breakfast buffet every day hanggang 9:30 a.m. So, yung inavail namin na room, walang kasamang breakfast buffet yun because ang kids hindi naman mahilig talagang kumain ng marami. But we tried having breakfast separately, And the cost of the breakfast is 16,000 won, which is actually parang mga around 700 plus sa Philippine peso. So, okay naman yung breakfast nila. Complete meal naman. They serve cereal, salad, fruits, and then the main dish. Tapos may mga bread din, may coffee, may fruit juice, and yogurt. So, okay naman for the experience. Okay naman siya. Masarap din naman yung mga food nila. Okay, now it's time for us to rate the hotel. Location. Location is really very good kasi nga yung K-Limousine stops in front of the hotel. At the same time, 2 blocks or 3 blocks away, nandun na yung train station na Dongdaemun History and Culture Park. So that's a big, big check. Second, the price for the accommodation per night, tama lang naman siya because they delivered it perfectly. Maganda yung kwarto, maaliwalas, and super linis nga like what I mentioned a while ago. Food is okay. It's, tama lang din naman siya sa presyo niya for the breakfast buffet, not too mahal, and yung sinerve naman is really just right for its price, and masarap naman yung mga pagkain nila. The staffs naman are nice. They can communicate with you since they know how to speak English. So, mahirap kasi yan sa Seoul or sa Korea kasi nga may language barrier. So, sila naman, they can communicate well kung may kailangan ka, and they can answer in English properly. Cleanliness, wala kaming masabi dahil malinis talaga. As in like, super linis. Lalo na sa bathroom, sobrang organized. Most especially kapag bagong makeup yung room. Wala, sobrang linis lang talaga. So, it's perfect. And the overall rating for this hotel is 5 hearts. Okay? Kasi, so far, ito yung nakikita namin na pinakamagandang hotel sa Seoul. And the Eat, Pray, Love travel team highly recommends this hotel, most especially for families going in South Korea. We hope na nakatulong itong review na ito sa inyong paghahanap ng hotel na masistayan in Seoul for your future vacation. And feel free to comment kung meron kayong tanong or anything that you want to ask or suggest or whatever para at least we could provide you with answers. And please watch out for our upcoming videos dito sa trip namin na to sa South Korea, and kung ano yung mga pinuntahan namin and kung magkano lahat ng nagastos namin. And lastly, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Eat, Pray, Love, and Travel by clicking the link at the description box or at the comment section. Thank you!